If you keep telling yourself you're too busy, too tired, or don't know where to start, you're not alone. But those excuses are keeping you stuck. Today, I'm showing you how to break through them and start building the strong, confident body you deserve. Excuse number one, my favorite, I'm too busy. No, you're not. How do I know this? I'm not living your life. You say, Haley, I got this and that, X, Y, and Z. Okay, I've got a question for you. How much time does your phone say you've been on social media this week? Well, let's find out.
Okay, y'all, find your Facebook app and click it. It'll open up to the screen. You want to scroll down to settings, under settings and privacy. And then you want to scroll down to your time on Facebook. And then under see your time to the left, you want to click see time. And there you have it. My average for this week is 47 minutes. It is only Tuesday. And then my average last week was 36 minutes, which is pretty low. But I did stay pretty busy last week with a bunch of other things besides scrolling. Okay, for Instagram, you want to find your Instagram app and click it. And then when you get there, go to the very, when I Google how to lose weight and it says eat that's great. Okay, anyway, to the bottom right hand side, you'll see a little circle with a person. Mine has a red dot there. You click that. That gets you to your main page of your profile. Then click the hamburger at the top right, the three lines, okay? Click, okay. Yeah, you're going to go to your activity. Then you're going to go scroll down a little bit and you're going to see how to use Instagram, and it says time spent. Click there, and there's your daily average. Mine is 6 minutes.
Now, if your phone says a big number and your excuse is you don't have enough time, yes, you do. However long you've been scrolling on that phone, that number says, say, an hour, you've got an hour. Now, if you're a rare bird and your phone says a small number, that means you're probably working out. So, yay. On to excuse numero dos. I am too tired. Of course you're tired. Your body's been running on caffeine, stress, and whatever you grab at the drive-thru. No workout can outpace bad sleep, junk food, and sky-high stress. You have to fuel yourself with real food, fix your sleep, manage your stress, and your I'm tired excuse won't stand a chance. Energy is a lifestyle, not an accident. Excuse number three, and my heart goes out to those who say this. Haley, I don't know what to do. I get it. I totally get it. So just find any beginner plan. You can find this all over the internet. All over the internet. You just type in whatever kind of workout you want. Total body, beginner abs, upper body, lower body, shape my booty. It's all out there. And YouTube has some really good stuff. So just type it in. It's all there for you. So you got your workout figured out. If you don't feel like searching for the workout online, you just go outside, walk around, play with your animals. Well, I should say play with your dog because it's hard to play with cats. Like you can a dog. But go to the beach if you have access to a beach or a lake. Just get outside. Take your kids, your grandkids. Just go out and just enjoy nature. Nutrition is a tough part to really explain in detail. There's so much to nutrition. But when you're first starting out, that's the easiest because all you really have to do, get most of your food from the grocery store and stick to the outer perimeter. Try to cut back on that fast food, okay? Anything in a box, bag, or that has dozens of ingredients on the back, try to stay away from that. Of course, it goes deeper than that, but that is where you start with your diet. Just clean it up. Clean it up. Last excuse, I've been here too. So I understand, but at the end of the day, it's still an excuse. I'm too embarrassed to start. This is mainly for those of you who haven't joined the gym. I get it. Walking into a gym when you feel like you don't belong there is intimidating. But here's the truth. Nobody is judging you the way you're judging yourself. Everyone starts somewhere. Every strong person you see was once a beginner too. You don't have to get fit before you start. Starting is what gets you fit. Be proud of day one. It's not weakness, it's courage. Also, if you have little ones, the majority of the gyms today have childcare, so check that out. Plus, it gives you some alone time if that's one of the main ways you can get it. Listen, you don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to be willing. Every small choice you make today is building the stronger, healthier, more unstoppable version of you. So stop waiting for the right time, a Monday, a new month, or a special event to start making change. You already have everything you need. Thanks for watching. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed this video, then I know you will love this one.